Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to install TinyTask on Windows 11. First thing first, go to the official TinyTask page at tinytask.net. On the home page, click the download button. A file named something like TinyTask.exe will begin downloading. File size is small, usually under 15 kilobytes, and no installation is needed. It's portable. Open the folder where the file was downloaded, like your downloads folder, and double-click on tinytask.exe to launch it. No need to install, TinyTask runs directly from the exe file. To use it, just click the rec button to start recording your mouse and keyboard actions. Perform your desired tasks and click rec again to stop. Click the play button to repeat your recorded actions. It is best for Discord. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.